Dear students, now we will learn addition of mixed fraction. One example here, 4 and 1 by 2 plus 1 and 1 by 4. So there are two methods to solve. Okay, we have two methods to add the mixed fraction. So now I am explaining you method 1. Okay, so according to this, we have to add the whole part of the mixed fraction. Okay, so here we can see that the 4 and 1 are the whole numbers of the mixed fraction. So we need to add first these numbers. Okay, so we are adding here 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So we can consider this 5 as a first answer, right? In next step we can see that the denominators are different. Okay, here the denominators are different, so we need to find the LCM of, okay, we need to find out the LCM of the denominators, and then we will change into like fraction, right? Yes, dear students, you are very much familiar about this method, that how to find the LCM in your previous classes. Okay, so here we are dividing this denominators by 2. So here 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So now we can see here, now 2 ones are 2 again. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, right? Now we need to convert the denominators into LCM. Okay, so for that we will divide the LCM by the denominators. Okay, so here the denominator is 2, so we are dividing 4 by 2, right? So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Now we will multiply 1 by 2 by 2, right? So here 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 upon 2. So here we are getting 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, so 2 by 4. In next step we can see that 1 by 4. So here we can see that the denominator is 4, so and LCM is also 4. So here we are dividing 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So we will multiply 1 by 4 by 1, right? So here 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 1 is equal to 1 by 4. Now we can see here the denominators are same. Okay, now we will add the numerator. Okay, we will add the numerators. Okay, and we will write denominator as it is. So we are getting here 2 plus 1 upon 4. So we can get here 3 by 4. So we can consider 3 by 4 as the second answer, right? Then next step what we will do, we will add the first and second answer together, right? So here the first answer is 5 and the second answer is 3 by 4. So we will add. So we can add like this way. So 5 and 3 by 4. Right. So the answer is 5 and 3 by 4. This is the final answer. Now method 2. First we need to change both mixed numbers to improper fraction, right? So we can see that 4 and 1 by 2 is equal to, here we are changing this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So for that we already explained to you that we need to multiply the whole number to the denominator. So here we are multiplying 4 multiplied by 2, and now we will add with this numerator. Okay, so we are adding 1 here. Okay, and 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So here the answer will be 9 by 2, right? And we have 1 and 1 by 4. So again we are multiplying the whole number with the denominator. So that is 1 multiplied by 4, and adding numerator 1 here. Okay, so 1 4s are 4 and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So here we are getting 5 by 4, right? So now we can see the denominators are different again. So what to do? Again in step 2 says that add the fraction after finding the LCM of the denominators. So we can see that the denominators are different, so we need to find out the LCM of the denominators first, right? So here the denominators are 2 and 4. Okay, so the LCM of 2 and 4 is, you are very much familiar that again we have already find it out that Okay, LCM of 2 and 4 is equal to 4. Then 9 by 2. Okay, again the denominator is 2, so we need to divide this denominator. Okay, we will divide this LCM by the denominator. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, right? And now we will multiply this 9 by 2 by 2 by 2, right? So 9 2s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. Next again we have 5 by 4. So here the denominator is 4. So and LCM is also 4. So here we are dividing 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So we will multiply 5 upon 4, okay, by 1. So 5 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 1 is equal to 5 by 4. 5 ones are 5, 4 ones are 4, right? Now we can see that the denominators are same. Okay, so now here we need to add the numerators. Here we need to add the numerators. So these are the 18 plus 5 and we will write denominator as it is. Okay, so 18 plus 5 is equal to 23 by 4. Okay, 23 by 4. Now we can see that the 23 by 4 is the improper fraction. Okay, so step 3 says that if the final answer is improper fraction, so we need to change it into the mixed fraction. Okay, so by dividing the numerator by the denominator. Let's see how. So here we can see how we got this. We are dividing here. Okay, 23 by 4. So 4 5s are, okay, 4 5s are 20. So 23 minus 20 is 3. So we are writing the remainder part as a numerator and the quotient, the divisor as a denominator and the quotient as a whole part, right? So the answer is 5 and 3 by 4. Now we will solve few questions of my practice time 4. So here it is asking use method 1 to add the following. So we already learned that what is method 1. So here the question number A is 2 and 1 by 3 plus 3 and 1 by 6, right? So we need to add whole numbers. Okay, so here whole numbers are 2 and 3. So here we are adding 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. This is the first answer. Okay, and we can see that the denominators are different. So we need to find out the LCM of the denominators, that is 3 and 6. Okay, so here we are finding the LCM of the denominators, that is 2 3s are 6 and here 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So LCM is equal to 6, right? So now we can see that denominators are different, so we need to convert this as a like fraction. So denominator is 3 here, so we will divide this LCM by the denominator. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 and we will multiply 1 by 3 by 2. So here 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 2 is equal to 2 1s are 2 and 3 2s are 6, right? In next step we can see that 1 by 6, okay, here 6 is the denominator and LCM is also denominator. So 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Now we are multiplying here 1 by 6 multiplied by 1 by 1 is equal to 1 1s are 1 and 6 1s are 6. Now we can see the denominators are same, so we need to add only the numerators. Okay, so 2 plus 1 by 6 and we will write denominator as it is. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 by 6, right? This is the second answer, right? Now next we need to add the first answer and second answer together, right? So the first answer is 5 and the second answer is 3 by 6. So after adding we got here 5 and 3 by 6. This is the final answer. Now question number B, we can see here 5 and 1 by 9 plus 2 and 1 by 8. So again we will add the whole numbers. So the whole numbers are 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. This is the first answer. Now we can see the denominators are different. So we will find out the LCM of the denominators 9 and 8. So after finding the LCM, we can see here that 9 will be as it is. 2 4s are 8, now 2 2s are 4, now 2 1s are 2, now 9 is divisible by 3, so 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So after that 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 72. So here the LCM is 72. Now we will, here we have 1 by 9 plus 1 by 8. So what we will do here, we can see here the denominator is 9, so we will divide, okay, the LCM by the denominators. Okay, so 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8, so we will multiply 1 by 9 by 8. Okay, so 1 by 9 multiplied by 8 by 8, so it was the 8 and 8 9 is the 72. Next we can see here 1 by 8, okay, and 72 is divided by 8 is equal to 9. Okay, and we will multiply 1 by 8 by 9 by 9. Okay, so 1 9 is a 9 and 8 9 is a 72, right? So we can see that here the denominators are same, so we need to add only the numerators, that is 8 plus 9, so 8 plus 9 upon 72, so is equal to 17 by 72. This is the second answer. Now we need to add the first and second answer together, right? So the first answer is 7 and the second answer is 17 upon 72. So here the 7 and 17 by 72 is the final answer, right? Use method 2 to add the following. Question number A, right? 1 and 2 by 3 plus 6 and 1 by 2, right? So here we need to change the fractions into improper fractions. Okay, so for that we can see here this is the whole part and denominator part, so we are multiplying this 2 and adding the numerator here. The same manner we are doing here. This is the whole number and this is the denominator. We are multiplying this both, okay, and adding numerator 1 here. Okay, so 3 1s are 3 and plus 2 here upon 3, so we can get here 3 plus 2 as a 5 by 3, and here the same 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1, so 12 plus 1 is equal to 13, so 13 by 2. Okay, now we can see the denominators are different, so again we need to find the LCM of denominators. So denominators are 3 and 2, so 3 as it is will be here, so 2 1s are 2 and now 3 1s are 3, so we are here, okay, 6, LCM is 6. So now what we will do here, again we will divide the LCM by the denominator. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Now we will multiply 5 by 3 with 2. Okay, now 5 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 2 is equal to 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, next step, again 13 by 2. Okay, 13 by 2, here 2 is denominator and 6 is LCM, so 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Then we will multiply 13 by 2 with 3. Okay, so 13 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 3 is equal to 39 by 6. Okay, so here we can see the denominators are same, so we need to add only the numerators, that is 10 and 39. So 10 plus 39 is equal to 49, 49 by 6. Okay, so we can see that 49 by 6 is the improper fraction. Now we can change this into mixed fraction. So we will divide 49 by 6. So 6 adds a 48. 6 adds a 48 and 49 minus 48 is equal to 1. Okay, so we can see here this is the this divisor is the whole part. Okay, this divisor will be the denominator. Okay, and the quotient will be as a whole part and 1 will be as a numerator, right? So the answer is 1. The answer is 8 and 1 by 6. This is the final answer. Dear students, home task is given to you. Kindly solve it. Thank you.